Hi guys, Owen is here. First of all, I wish to thank the community for caring and supporting Matrix all the time. I have received all of your questions. Let's go through with them one by one. I'm sorry about this situation. I have talked with the green company. The thing is, all of the miners are kept in the factory in Xinjiang province. But as we know, the COVID-19 is spreading in the Xinjiang province. That makes the staff of the telecommunication companies unable to come to our factory to repair the internet. So I have discussed with the green mining company, and all the staff in green mining company is trying their best to solve this problem. And I will discuss with them to ask them to offer a compensation scheme for all the miners whose miners is keeping in the Xinjiang province factory. We are looking for some regional exchanges, such as in Korea, Japan, or something somewhere else. And we are also to discuss to plan to build a decentralized exchanges just for mine. We are still asking them to speed up our swiping work. And all of the community will be informed as soon as we have got the schedule. To audit a crypto foundation is rather experimental work. So there are too many works and the details need to be discussed and verified. Till now, the PwC hadn't finished the audit work for Matrix Foundation. As the Matrix Foundation is registered in Hong Kong, so as soon as the PwC finish their audit work, they will submit the report to the Hong Kong government, and the report will be published by the government after their reviewing work. To achieve this goal, at first, we need to make our computing power distribution platform online, and we also need to find enough consumers who need our computing power generated by our platform. To achieve this target, we still to try our best to make this happen. Currently, there are several development teams to work on the apps on Matrix network. Those products are in the areas of Internet of Things, distributed computing, and distributed payment. Due to there are some changes in our team, that makes our communication with community affected. We are trying our best to get this work back to normal. As soon as the COVID-19 get better, we'd like to invite some of you in our community to visit our office in Beijing. Among to the core features, till now the smart contract hasn't been updated online. Because there are too many works about the security, we want to spend more time to make it perfect and launch it. If you want to know more features in our future plan, you can find more information and the details in the green paper about our Vision 2.0. Currently, the Gman is running very stably now. In the next version, we'd like to introduce some function about distributed computing power into the next version. Also, we'd like to open up some function about IPFS. Matrix 2.0 is a great project. Besides our core development teams, now we are planning to build a fund pool to invite more developers and teams to join us and contribute for the new version of the Matrix projects. We are applying for government projects with some Guangzhou hospitals, the Chinese Academy of Science, and also the China Telecom Company. This project's name is Smart Hospital Union. We will update more details about this project to the community in the future. It's true there are some changes in our team composition, and we are building our team to meet the development needs for the Matrix 2.0. In short team, the computing distribution platform will be the core to get more traffic. All the consumers who need our computing power in our platform will be charged by month. Matrix is not involved in these projects. In China, there are too many projects or unions looks very similar like this. It sounds very similar to our visions, but I can tell you there are too many details different with us. The collaboration project with the think tank is still under test in the airport. Because of the COVID-19, too many works are delayed. We hope the COVID-19 will get better, and that will make the same tag to speed up their work to make our projects online as soon as possible. Due to the governmental regulation in China, the most important problem is we can't make the consumer to buy our service or products by month. To solve this problem, we need to cooperate with some partners who can swipe the currency into man coins. That will make the capital in real world flow into the man ecosystem. We are applying some government's fund, and also we are trying our best to join some projects of the government. That will make us more income and also widen the scope of our service and the technologies. I want to thank the community for your supporting and concern about Matrix, and also we are trying our best to make our Matrix 2.0 come true one by one in the schedule. I'm sorry that lack of communication to cause so many confusions and doubts in our community due to the COVID-19 and also the business problems. There are some changes in our team, including till now we are like the position of people of staff who were linked with the technology team and our community. We are trying our best to hire some suitable one in a short time. After that, I think we will bring everything back to normal, including to update our work to community in time. We have planned to build our own DeFi platform, and also we have to seek some changes to cooperate with the major platform if it's suitable. Thank you for your suggestion. In the situation is the compute distributed platform is the core function of the matrix, and also we have made some changes in our POW algorithm. To achieve this goal, we need to do lots of the developing work in the hardware area at the beginning. In the future, we want to make our platform is suitable for all kinds of the device, including the personal computing, also the smartphone. In that step, I think the most important work will be moved into the software development and the system optimization. In China, it's not easy for public chain projects to cooperate with the government and the companies. Besides the legal issues, another more important thing is the Chinese government is more into the consortium chain platform, which is really not a decentralized system that is very different with the public chain. I think more of the public chain will have another way to cooperate with the government and the companies. They will cooperate with them by their technical developing teams to support some technical services. I think most of the cases of WeChain are the same. I think most of the cases are not published on the public chain of WeChain. For Matrix, we have some other advanced features because we have our decentralized computing distributed system. I think the Chinese government and also the companies will need our computing power in the future. That will make our public chain to be cooperated with them happen. It's true we have been affected by this difficulty, but I'm sure we can overcome them. We have completed our midnight developing work. I think in the short time, the first major application for matrix network is our decentralized compute distributed system. And also in the future, we'd like to open some AI API for the users to use our services and our algorithms. Yes, we will. We have some plan.